Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the fascinating stories and secrets of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share with you today's topic, how birdwatching can actually change your brain. Imagine being able to identify hundreds of different bird species, from the tiniest hummingbird to the largest eagle. It's a skill that requires dedication, patience, and a keen eye for detail. But did you know that this hobby can also have a profound impact on your cognitive abilities? Researchers at York University in Canada recently conducted a study on expert birders, comparing their brain structure and function to those of novice birdwatchers. The results were astonishing. Expert birders showed significant differences in their brain activity and structure, particularly in areas related to object identification, visual processing, attention, and working memory. These changes are thought to be the result of a process called neuroplasticity, where the brain reorganizes itself in response to new experiences and learning. In essence, the more you practice birding, the more your brain adapts and strengthens the connections between different regions. But what's even more remarkable is that these changes may also have a protective effect against aging and cognitive decline. The study found that expert birders showed less decline in brain structure and function as they aged compared to novice birdwatchers. This suggests that engaging in activities like birding can help build cognitive reserve, allowing our brains to better withstand the ravages of time. So, if you're looking for a new hobby that's not only fun, but also good for your brain, consider giving birding a try. You never know, you might just find yourself becoming an expert birder with a brain that's sharper and more resilient as a result. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we're exploring the wonders of the natural world. Today we've got a fascinating tale that will take us into the secret lives of ants. You see, most ant colonies are like little societies with a queen, female workers, and short-lived males that die after mating. But what if I told you there's an ant species that's thrown this entire social structure out the window? Meet Temnothorax kinemuri, a parasitic ant from Japan that's made headlines for being the first ever found to have done away with both males and female workers. Pause for dramatic effect. That's right, every individual in this species is a queen, and their sole mission is to take over the nests of other species. It's a daring strategy, really. These young queens will infiltrate the nests of a related species, Temnothorax macora, and then proceed to kill the host queen and some workers by stinging them. It's a ruthless move, but one that ensures their own survival. Whispered excitement. But here's the remarkable part. These queens reproduce asexually, producing cloned offspring through a process called parthenogenesis. It's rare in ants, but common among some other insects. And get this, researchers have confirmed that there are no males in this species. None. They've bred and raised 43 queen offspring in the lab, and every single one of them was female. This discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community as it challenges our understanding of social organization in ants. As Jürgen Heinze, a researcher at the University of Regensburg, puts it, they exhibit an entirely new form of social organization, adding another exciting dimension to the already rich and varied world of ants. It's a testament to the incredible flexibility of life on Earth, don't you think? Now, I know what you're thinking. How does this species manage to survive without males or workers? Well, it's all about strategy. By producing only queens, they increase their chances of starting new reproductive colonies. It's a high-risk, high-reward approach that seems to be paying off. Building narrative tension. As we delve deeper into the world of Temnothorax kinemuri, we're reminded that there's still so much to discover about the natural world. The intricate social structures, the complex behaviors, the adaptations that have evolved over millions of years. It's a never-ending journey of discovery, and one that I'm thrilled to be on with all of you. Expression of genuine wonder. We've got another incredible tale that will take us to the forefront of conservation efforts and highlight the importance of preserving our planet's precious biodiversity. It's a story that will leave you inspired and motivated to make a difference. So, don't go anywhere. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we've been exploring the wonders of our natural world. As we conclude today's journey, I'd like to take you to the rolling hills and green pastures where horses graze and roam free. You may have noticed that a horse's whinny is unlike any other sound in nature. It's a unique blend of a low-pitched noise and a high-pitched whistle. But have you ever wondered how horses produce this distinctive sound? Researchers at the University of Vienna, led by Tecumseh Fitch, have been studying the vocal anatomy of horses to uncover the secrets behind their whinny. They discovered that horses are able to make two sounds simultaneously, a phenomenon known as biphonation. The low-frequency component is produced by vibrations in the horse's laryngeal vocal folds, similar to human speech or singing. However, the high-frequency sound, which is above 1000 Hz, is unusual for such a large animal and has been a mystery until now. To solve this puzzle, Fitch and his team performed a range of tests, scans, and experiments on horse larynges obtained from a horse meat supplier. They blew air through the larynges and initially only got the low component, but with some experimentation, they were able to obtain the high-frequency component as well. This showed that both components are produced by the larynx itself, unlike human whistling, which is performed with the lips. Further proof of the whistling mechanism came from blowing air and helium through the larynges. By comparing these gases, the researchers could test whether the high-frequency sound came from whistling or from tissue vibrations. The results confirmed that the low-frequency component is produced by vocal fold vibration, while the high-frequency component is indeed a whistle. Endoscopic tests of live horses revealed that at the onset of a whinny, muscles around the larynx contract, causing a narrowing of the glottis and increasing airway resistance. This forces air through the slit-like opening at high speed, producing the characteristic whistle. It's fascinating to think that horses are the only large mammals, besides humans, to produce whistles as part of their standard vocal repertoire. As we conclude today's Nature Walk, I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of horse communication. The discovery of how horses produce their unique whinny is a reminder of the intricate and complex mechanisms that underlie the natural world. It's a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and the importance of continuing to explore and understand our planet's incredible diversity. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.